Hello, viewers. Today we are going to learn how to say happy birthday in Chinese. I will also show you how to write it step by step. I will draw each character slowly, following the proper stroke order so it would be easy for you to follow and understand. In many Asian cultures, birthdays are a big deal, and being able to wish someone a happy birthday in their native language can make the occasion more memorable. So, today I am going to tell you the most popular phrase to wish someone a happy birthday in Chinese, which is 生日快乐. 生日快乐. Happy birthday. If you are celebrating your birthday today, we want to say 生日快乐. Happy birthday to you. Now we are going to learn how to write this phrase. It consists of four characters. Shang, Ri, Kuai, Le. First we are going to discuss about Shang Ri, which means birthday. First look at the character of Shang, which means birth. Right now, you are watching. Please follow the proper stroke order. It would be helpful to you to improve your Chinese writing skills. The character Shang consists of five strokes. It means birth. Please watch carefully. Next, we have the character of Re, which means day or sun. It consists of four strokes. Just now, you are watching how to draw the character of Re. When these two characters, Chang and Re, come together, it means birthday. Now let's move on to the next part of this phrase, which is kuàilè. Kuàilè means happy or happiness. It consists of two characters, kuai and le. Kuai means fast. Please watch carefully as I demonstrate the character of kuai. Just now you are watching on your screen how you can draw the character of kuai. It has 7 strokes and it means fast. Follow the stroke order displayed on the screen. Finally, we have the character of love, which means happy or happiness. It has 5 strokes. Just now, you are watching how to draw the character of love. Notice how the strokes are structured and practice each stroke carefully. Now let's recap. Watch carefully as I am going to show you how to write all four characters together. Number 1, shang. Shang, first tone. It means birth. Second one, rir, which means day or sun. Watch carefully. Number third, kuai. It means fast. Watch carefully as I demonstrate on the screen. The last one is le. Chang Ri Kuai Le. Happy birthday. Now you know how to wish someone a happy birthday in Chinese. Just say 生日快乐 or write it on a card. I remember once I said it to a Chinese friend during her birthday celebration in front of her family. The smile and surprise on their faces, I will never forget it. Shangri Kuala, such a simple phrase, but it can make someone's day more special. So I learned it's not just about saying the right words, it's about showing respect and appreciation showing for someone's culture. So when you say Shangri Kuala, you are not just wishing them well, you are also building a deeper connection. So just give it a try. I hope you found this video very helpful. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel Learn Chinese with Taranum, and please hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one. Till then, goodbye. 再见.